I'm going to tell you the script right now, and then I'm going to reason with you and explain to you the logic behind it and why this is the best one. So they answer the phone. Remember, this is an expired, right? They've been on the market for 6 months. The house didn't sell. Hello? And your script is, hi, this is Jackie. I'm a local real estate agent. I'm sure you know that your house came off the market today, and I'm calling you because I am confident that I can sell your house, and I'd like to meet with you for just 20 minutes and show you exactly how I can get this property sold for you. Are you available at 3 o'clock today? Would 4 be better? That's it. That's your opening line. Why is this the best script you can use? Okay, let's reason together. They listed with an agent 6 months ago, and they obviously expected the house to sell. It didn't. They're frustrated. They may be angry. They may be hostile. They're disappointed. What they're looking for in the next agent that they're going to list with is the exact line on this script. I am confident that I can sell your home. That is what they're looking for. An agent that makes them feel confident that they can sell this property. Now, when you think about it, there are a lot of agents calling, using all kinds of, I don't know, to me, weird script, asking a bunch of questions that the seller, and this expired, has no interest in answering. Where were you moving to if you had sold? Why do you think it didn't sell? Like, excuse me, what's the point of this phone call? Is it to just talk about stuff that doesn't matter, or is it to set an appointment? The expired listing is looking for someone who makes them feel confident. And when you open up the call, just expressing that to them, and by the way, saying it confidently, because if you say, I am confident that I can sell your house, sounding really weird with an upswing, you're incongruent. You're saying what they want to hear, but you're saying it in a way that makes them feel like, I don't know, this is weird. You're saying you're confident, but I don't hear that in the way that you're saying it. This is why agents are always so worried about what's the best script? What is it that I need to say? Okay, I just gave you the best script, but now you need to say it in a way that kind of matches what you're saying. Yeah, because if you're saying you're confident, but you lack confidence when you say it, you're not. Hey, over all of my years of coaching, I hear agents saying all the time, well, I used the script you said, and it's not working for me. Well, it's not the script that it's not working. It's the way you're saying it. I mean, first of all, record yourself. Record your role plays. Listen to yourself and hear how you sound. Would you want to give yourself an appointment? Are you congruent? Is what you're saying and how you're saying matching? This is the best script. I know if you use it and you say it correctly, you're going to be able to set expired appointments. Go out there and make it happen.